Used to be a Cummins N14 with 13-speed transmission, 3.9 diffs. We took it out, put a Detroit S60 into it. A lot of new parts, new radiators, turbo, air compressor, fuel pump. A lot of new parts. Frame was painted, cab was painted. Short the frame, made it a single axle. Replaced the diff, 336 on the diff. Got the muffler down. All new fifth wheel, ABS valves, modulator, brake chambers, rims, tires, all that is brand new. S-cams, you name it. I have to run all the new wires all over. Everything is working just like it's supposed to.